Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye. Hello, my people. How na day from Untouchable Mama. Also, na the John and Seth. Also, na the enjoy. My brothers and sisters. Oh, hey. Edo ya ekpitan we. Uwe na ya biomodan. Awa muhariave. Awa muhariave. Hi. Now, wow. First of all, nika gwe. Efe igwa. Efe ilare o. Ikata mawena we. Nuwe na tie gbugo oje doni. Uwe e disgrace we ri ni bani vie do no enegbe. E tie gbo oje do. Mwe babi ala negbo e. Mwe zigi kwa nene mi negbo e. Oje do. Because umayo na tie oje do. Ya we no oji ari eve na. Oma no oji eve. Ari eve na efe. Uje do ni tie gbo e ni. Umayo na tie uje do. E tie gbo e. Because umana seti bie eni numu negbo we. E tie gbo we. Why ye can here you nune who do vomit nonsense the social media la re o ave we ya do o ma no geleta we uje do yen gelehi then we he ne awe gemi asu eni eru wala o ma na gbonu ayatis we ni e o ma no yeso ni e we na amo ebo ye mudia go me ka ma we o ma no we na amo ebo la dia yin ave we je so mi no ta we go mi no ta enu we do la dia fe we de o mani no ma no we ne o ti eru wala how dare you how you go call papa wala ne if papa wala do something person no go tell am say wetin you do no good abi wa pe ye wowo the thing wey dey pay me pass more na no vex my people because sometimes wey I go dey talk iwa re ovi edo na bini person dey talk so why una period na ekenu gwanjo where you supposed to talk where you know dey talk where as you hear that thing as you hear am because our land egbe ne rioni esunu wori we mo wa mere uyi no mwe no wa mere ove mwe no ve ro wodo no ya nyo we no bia be u me no na enwe o da fin ye o hin we amana temata emena I mi otoy sometimes I just dey think I'll say why some of our Benin people just dey do anyhow and you go call yourself one kind name you know dey respect the name if you know dey respect the name comot the name for your no dey call that name say na you dey bear I fe no say fe na danyodiku real man you know dey behave as you say dey behave for social media wetin if person no tell una the truth una dey think say wetin una dey do na be the best better person wey hair correct man wey hair correct wey get wife and children for inside house e no dey behave as you say dey behave the day wey know say e take some alcohol e no go come social media come dey do anything e go sit down for his house no be your you go just drink you go come there come dey close that one your eye dey misbehave dey talk anyhow where you suppose to talk who say if this thing really happen we have to find out I gbegwen anybody awa no wote do awa no biya no mo wo oja awo amo ma ve awa no Nena warie no hwewe, eriorie no bia hwe. Wetin? May we dey talk truth. Now some people even talk say, may we take Monica put for his house, may we they beat Lolo. What if any because Monica na Bini person? If you do bad, who you jaweni? Not because of say you be Bini or you be Ishan. No. You do something where not good. We have to punish you. We have to tell you where you for wrong. He good make person they talk true for this life. Not because of say I like you or because I hate you. I go first tell you where you wrong before I go tell you say I hate you, I like you. Because he take me where you walk. No understand. So if that's a fair yo, that one don't throw away from one corner because I mean a fair ita, I mean a kende be me ke yaji. I mean man noveti any the novek bole le meta mugwa osusu maye o duzana. Osusu maye o duza wa mi mata. Wa onu wa change una de like mona change mona bena. Mona bena. If Papa Wala no say no do that thing, he na bini ma. Obie don't know. I cannot heke no rie. Baya gwale mi no for Bini if you don't like me I dey fear juju where me na person wey dey fear juju I dey fear. You know why? I no go come me I can't talk life for your head because I dey fear and that make me dey fear. If that thing not be real, you don't tell my way when I saw you do a more no I don't do that. Yeah, where they now vent boy there yourself. If Papa Wala no say that kind thing where person talk come and say no happen, he know where it's supposed to go. All my time e can't do ni aya hoy. On que no heke no la, on que no heke no. Iga gele. Wo no ro wodo. O man Meriana. Ebo. Aya gwale. Ya we o man no we bono ro e winye to mi ga wi mi ya gwale. So no be the one come they come and where fair you come to come and come they defend Papa Wala. Oh there you are. How you go call Papa Wala ne? How you go do this one? The time where they bring destiny back what this thing come out. And say bright well clear. You come out, you talk. You can't fight, say how they'll bring mass something. If don't you clear, how they'll bring her come out social media. Because it not concern you. Now not see you now. Because it not concern you. Even though they bring her come out. All this thing one they do ya ho wa wodao. Wa gwa dumu do no ma gwa dumu keka. Any now na. Oh, in what time hole. Anything where you do now, if they wait for you. Not just talk say you don't do it. Nothing they happen. Wa guna when you see. Oh however that wa they walk it down. Or they head way. Where were they mere where he saw what BBBB and many any decanter almost to raw or na eyana musana. That one for that affair yo because affair no sabi talk. Affair no be Bini because I believe say not be for Bini maybe na what kind place. You know say some people they go if Papa go be Bini, Mama go be Bini, but I don't know as I take talk and they grow for another place because they don't know the tradition. They don't know waiting in a art of each side waiting they go on for that tradition. So me I believe na fair be because not be all people where they speak Bini na be Bini. No, some people they the mama na Bini, Papa na Bini, but since you not grow for that land, you don't know what they do. So you go come they talk about that bidi. I mean no matter when agbegwejo for what they na agbegweji. Obiano mo ho oya love yeke oho no mo do a do ma mo do is a different case wa agbe no bia wa agbe wa abi e oda fe Monica managbono o managbono abi oho no ge oho na mi go jo no ya fi ogwejo wa me ge to damage edima because him yo we soro o se no ho ai o lore mo no bie e soro oh lord be no bie o say e mo ai different way no wa ga mo go jo won o wewe ni ugwe wa wuri kunwe wa wonder for where you that one a different case one no dey again you don't free go do what you want go do Not be say you because you say you with your not be say you with your husband still there. Uja fiakara. How you go no man negbe. That one for that. Then Monica, you, I can tell you, I say now your mouth now we go hear everything where they happen. Unu we man now hook book back. The time when Monica come and say, hey, if I tell una, picture, some people, some person where lolo carry a picture go somewhere. I not go tell una, not be my mouth now for year. Me I still do out there say. Monica, na your mouth now we go for year round. Now really na your mouth now we can still year round. Monica, they no baika uwe. Omwe a grave for Israel ladia. I no side down. That I never they do audio. I for still talk can say waiting. I no side dok baika for that one. No. Emi anything. Emi Monica na be that one. You not supposed to do that one. But Monica, na jami oma na jami oma because the picture the name where you carry go no be say you want take and say blessing for babalawo place. Monica okbaika fuck up bringing your mother grave come out. He pay you but to go that side say you want kill her. My sister, you go too far. You go too far, but you can't say na lolo na do one. You know what thing? The time when you first come out, come they talk, say, see, because now you push lolo to this yesterday video where you do. You don't know. You the thing say not be you push her. Now you push lolo. What push it to say no do way a video again no dena ladia. What push it Monica? What push it? Uweni yoma gwe kata mawena ukbeweni tagbe uta logbe womie ni ya womie no majo womie no dere womie no mahie una ga file you can't call your snake. The very day when Monica say he call his snake, I even see him for a Aproko page where Lolo carry teddy bear. He say you talk too much. They talk to the teddy bear. You talk too much. When you talk too much, I will hang you. Ona agwe teddy bear any gwan. You know where you hear? Woga akawe ugwan gbe unu beni we ugbe weni kan tangbe. Drop unu weni huye omagwe hui. Omagwe hui. Eni ya fefe una waladia una we lolo or we ya. Oga dere on the to we waladia say hey. This thing where I want to so na me with Lolo na do. I go say he say na she with Lolo na do. I say okay, na two of them. But when you come out, you say everything you put out for Lolo head. Say na Lolo na do. Me, I know the kind of person where you be Monica. Before you say hey, I don't know where you dey go. The way where you take the talk, now I tell they know the kind of person where you be. If I want just say, I not just see you, now I be say I not see you. Monica, wa yoga yagbe eri wewa. You just come out. You can't stay for 6 hours plus for YouTube. Everything where you talk, you say na lolo na do everything A to Z. That one go defend itself now. You say na lolo na do and I be the bad head. Na be everything. You put everything, you put on for lolo head. Now when lolo come and say, if you push her, you can't say your husband say you not talk again. Shame on you, Monica. Shame on you. Now your husband say you not talk. The time when you do 6 hours plus, your husband not tell you say you not talk. Mami o woman not that from where no do arovi in social media. The time when you do 6 hours plus, where you dey since where you whether since where you come from Nigeria, I don't know. Where you dey your husband not tell you say you not talk again. They say don't do. When you can't see now, say Lolo say everything they with her. Ura pushing ye bomb for. When your husband say you not talk again, say you want zip your mouth. No zip her. Continue they talk. Ukbe time. No zip your mouth, Monica. No zip her, how you go zip her. Continue they talk. Wait till you see, wait till you not see. Come they talk. Me I tell you, me I feel they talk. Say this Monica. I no believe say dey husband house. Me I feel dey talk am because wetin you dey talk for mouth okonoro wo dey take gbere ni wetin me we dey talk true. Even me wey marry Igbo sef, e get with some kind thing I no dey talk am because I go come say ime mwegbi megboto na wana hwemi. A respect of pa you no get for yourself. E get the day wey bring tomatoes come out. E honor suvun you wey honor ye me no ye bade a banana big carrot. Hey, you know what now? So you dey for husband house now you dey claim say you dey. You dey claim say you dey husband house. Your brother in-law, your the mama of your husband, they not dey watch you. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you the talker for my man? Now say this woman, I don't believe say na husband house e dey. Don't word oje o fiakara, ona fie lega. You can't even say they get a fear call this class. I want call the teacher now say, hey, you know what done na. Jehovah, Baba God. This one dey husband house. This one, you want come to teach people when you you wait there. Hey, ron bien moins. Ron bien moins, Monica. Ou we fuck up. We fuck up. Ugi hon ya we mi gwe lolo. U wanda for we no get igwo ma rokpa gwan. Or we no silly no we. Sile. I mean, for me, I believe say when Monica say one close in mouth, not because of say if Lolo bring everything come and say she go cash out. Not because of say she go cash out. Now because of those people where they measure their name. Monica now way in close on Monica ain't who she not get shame because woman will get shame. Something there where you know they do. Something there you know they do because you want to respect yourself. Because when enu tawunu o makaya respect you. Enu tawunu o makana tawe this one is very cheap for me to go. You understand? Because men still there for that social media. Men they there. You just carry everything, say you put on for Lolo head. I heard they talk on before. I said now Monica now they draw Lolo leg. You go carry on. One now they watch two of them. The way when Monica say they talk, not be the same way Lolo still they talk. Many a yak bunu jemi no home, vakara boy. Or Doria Mogella dia we no be ya. Where me Lolo very on it. I bought them at temata. Me, I never see Lolo for that kind of thing. Iba emiwe, wa munu jog boy. Wa enya, nemi go they talk and what kind go do I need go they talk out. I go just they look and say this woman. See what you they talk. Your children even they house for them will say then they up. They go still watch her. She not care. She not care. My brothers and sisters. Monica. Who were they berato? Who they berato, eh? I beg anybody when one comment. Una people comment. One I not use and tell insult me. Oh. If you not use and tell insult me, eh? You are block what direct because waiting Monica do. They not go do it to your brother or to your daughter or to your son. Because me more. They not go do it. If you know, unless if you don't want to insult me, you know say that thing where Monica do, they go still do it to your son. Because Abru so managbono. O ma biyo. Wa me gele mi enyo we so enyo wage so. Ojo ma kyo manezu ozo. Waiting. O managbo Abru se here. Owa do mangwe to tan yuk baba nire. Ni aka woni samuyeba. O mangwe to tan yuk baba re because ogbenu ke fini nakara. Eh? Now I say your husband say me not talk. When you dey belikiaye, when you dey bring every people down, your husband not tell you say me not talk. Because you don't know what you want to talk again. Now you can't put down and say, your husband say me not talk to anybody again. May you just close this matter like this. Because you know say Lord of get waiting one bomb come out. Once yes, every and not blame anybody. You sit down, may you they blame yourself because the time when they bena move where you not look back, you not look front. Now when she don't talk her come out now because everybody be say now devil, now evil, now this one. Not be say lot of good though, because no swama be joge, iye be joge. O who no swo give via yoga in ye vejo. You understand? Because she even talk and say because of wetin make am stay long, because Monica Omari na love. You know say sometimes e dey like that. If you get person, you go dey pity am, you no wan leave am. I no know as I take talk am, you no wan leave am because you know say they pass through something wey dey very very difficult. And you now with your good heart, wa le lo manifian, ado akawa we una be the same. Na this lolo come be. That is wetin me believe. Because if una dey watch Lolo, if una dey watch Monica, una see say their video e dey different. Emine Monica tawunu, Lolo tawunu. I must say the truth. I no hate anyone. Two of them, they not do me anything. But the way they talk come out, let me talk this one. Because a Monica, or an egbe balo, where you not go listen to anybody. Even all this one they do so. When I say me Monica go apologize, Monica then which kind sabala we go marry apologize. No, don't see what I say do one. Ni haye uve hinye oje they say. Because it's on no rich. Ave man ni offend. It's on no rich. Because she believes that what she do not be anything. Nothing happen. Nothing dead there. You not see and say nobody come and come defend you. Say wala wo. Me for come and like say you be better person. You not be better person. You not be better person. Because nobody where you never insult. People will sit down there, you don't insult. You never insult me, but I they watch you. All our Benin people no we metia bonairu we. No ma onu see the game, wa onu shake. No of them. Everybody now you don't do that thing. Because you think say we the Benin, we the good one, we the happy for what you they do. We not they happy. We not like them. Because there you not just come out one say 5 minutes, you want just destroy their career, you want destroy their name like that. No. I believe, I pray from now on, may you change. But all logo because all logo. Nyawe emi no magwe ege logo ke change okay fear with you. Because you be that kind of person, but try to limit something where you they do. Egbe abalomagbe emi no miewo ena. Pepe body. Now you talk past. Now my mouth na long past. Now me go talk and now me go do and like that. Monica, you never finish. You never finish. You know why? That woman wanna take a picture go. You not believe say if person tell you say now you go come open your mouth, come they talk and say now so now you talk and say lolo na carry and go, but now you na carry and go because of waiting the woman do you where bring your mother grave come out. I not support that woman. Yes, I not support her because we finna they curse on herself. Now me they talk her. If I do you something, do me back. If I curse you, curse me. Don't go put another person where you just sit down in you. Come put her for there. Come they curse her because that person not do anything. I not support the woman. When I not believe say maybe I support Okbaika. No, that time never they do audio. I for still talk her. Me iba me no emine money bad the woman no. I even they talk her. If una they fight on herself, more na leave people where sit down there, or more na not go carry their leg, carry their hand, come put for inside. Because now two of na nice still herself. But for you, my sister Monica, go take picture, go take in name, they carry, go babalawo. It's very bad. And now you call God pass. I talk her. I said people like Monica where they call Baba God, the Baba God. Me I dey fear una because he go say no be the God where you they call now they call. Me I dey fear. It can wajo. But if God want disgrace una not see ana so aware before you know you go say now me be this. You can't ask yourself. Now so God. Real God where we they call. Now so it they do something. Now so it they do something. So if you be that kind of person where they plan evil. Because of say person use man to talk to you what the or your picture or murio robo. Just they have her for the belief. That thing where you want go do it go return back to you. If you want return, not be only 100 times. Oh big your one. Ya gbe. Ya very jogo bo boy we no way very ana. Oma you no go egwa, be you no go egwa. Go you no go egwa. O we mi no da we ha me we no we na. O da we su gboloko. We forgive e. No yari eni ekpa. It's a soul like you. No yari eni ekpa go give babalawo say do one like this. I want make you do one like this, or I want make you do one like that. Waiting. God dey. Go sa no boy boy. Why you not tell God may God this thing where this woman do me so God Baba God he pay me. I want make you punish her on your own way instead of you carry a name carry go babalawo not be pray and you go pray and not be pray you go pray for her for there. Now something you be one go do maybe it is something you do the head don't agree now you return before now you can't use your mouth till they talk. My brothers and sisters, who say God not there? The person they talk lie. Because me, I feel believe say this Monica ma pure. I don't affect the talker. I say, oh ma pure, oh your bug be where you go they use until they knock chest. Or your hand you use your hand till they knock. Even my own mother not feel use hand till they knock chest for where people gather. Talkers will say you your day for social media where the whole world they watch you. Oh your boy are where. And you want talk and if you want talk something go say or what kind of name no ye ke call egbuko giwo. If you be Bini no parable you go know what it mean. And if you want talk another thing or we be rain he get the day where do live video. I watch her be like saying a proko na cut when call they talk these things. It be like say maybe they want close here whether na YouTuber be Facebook I don't know. It's a problem not there for now one close and I feel closer. I be bere ai. I want many now it high. Then when you come they use hand to the nut chest. I mean one get good one. I mean one say good one. Ukwo ho or avun rioje. Omo ho no we me da. Na so it be. Now person carry stainless bishop. See go Shiran because of say una de quarrel. No be person do that one. I don't know gonna have a vele la dian yawo. Iyan we okbe kekan abeme otun una gie. Ogoni have a la dian one day. That one I go see come out because he sit down you. You talk to me, I talk to you. You dey crazy, you dey mad. Your hair not correct. No enemy they do you, now they do me. You dey smoke igbo, you dey smoke this one. You talk to me, I talk to you. Now that one do. When you go Nigeria, go see picture for Shiran. Who know what they be say make them do that one? When Babalawo can say take your pin. Now she use her mouth to talk. I see the video. Maybe many of them are not seeing. I see them where Stella doing. I watch the video. Mona be careful. Social media man no care egbe oho ewo. Egbe wa oho o take care be open and maybe say they do funny thing, say they find friends, say they do business. Awa o content to Maria. Why it be like that? We can't turn her upside down. We can't turn her. Can't be say no, I don't know as I take talk and sha. May God forgive una na sin. Monica, I first tell you that time for my last audio where I do. People where you offend, not be for social media. No go there, may you go and say, this one, I beg, me una no vex. The other side, una no reach where I go beg. The other side, una be rat, una be mosquito. Una never reach where I go say, Mona forgive me. Not be that one. Person where you really know say you offend for inside your mind. Total, sit down, may you think am. May you go beg them. Not be people, not be we where they do social, where they talk for. Not be we. Omanu wegele hen we jest. Omanu offend them. Even though say like that's your best friend, where be lolo. Sit down, may you go. May it come out for inside your mind. I ask for forgiveness. Not be that yeah one. Where some people they talk say don't apologize now. Mona forgive her. Oh, you offend me. You not offend me. Now people where you offend, go meet them. You not offend me. Uma offend me. Ama wait ya be kama we mwezo for ne make agui. But people when you know say you really know it. On when we worry no it. Who offend there. Not be me you come to tell you there, you know. That's the way you don't or may you don't want me you spoil in a way don't build. Monica, I mean they tell you if you like you take. If you like you not take. Now you know. Not be the one where you can't do that day where you can't say, Mona no verse, my good Benin people, my Asian Benin enemy. Forget about that one. Sit down for his ass. Oh, negbewe. Yaya imi ma, no go offend. Like okwoni no weri e pichok bani. Okwoni no weri e pichok bani. On your ba my or maybe another one still dey. Maybe this one now on our full way or ja way ya tell her dia. Maybe another one still dey. No ho. Ave bo when wa oni. Na me they tell you. And now you call God pass. You know see, you can't they call our God. Erima babagima. Na tie with clean mind. Una tie yabe emi no mama. When make no meje be Bible sabana when na repetition banari na ya gbo maniwa. Error Monica. So for me, now what I want to tell you now be this one. Need your advice. Now I can't give you this one a small one. Not be the one where you call social media. No do I more than no verse. No, not be that one. You may mean so when you do some people something, you go today before I go forgive you. You go use your mouth to confess what you do for the whole world. Make them know what you do before I go forgive you. You there now? Not be that kind. I forgive you. You not finish. You not come up for a man though. And not be everybody where you say I beg forgive me. Go tell you say I don't forgive you. You need that well. May you go beg people. You need that well. So my brothers and sisters, all those one where some people they talk say, I don't forgive you. It not offend you where you wait talk say you forgive her. He offend you. Monica offend you. Maybe he do you small thing or you curse and he curse you. That one don't be that one we they talk about. Now those ogete where they do. Now that one. I will get and those of una where they do social media. Ya ogiagbe. If person use my talk to you, use my talk to her. Because now ya me way. Why am you kekere no dey live video now? Person talk to you, you talk to her. Why you want carry the picture? Wonu give me ne ho egege. God no go gree. Ya agbe. Mona be careful. If I talk to you, talk to me. Not carry my picture come out. Eke una wa mo ehia ni. Holy Ghost fire wa no. O wa fi an we yigbe. Na so. O wa fi yigbe because amanyahun aya we se wa gbon. O wa age we ehia o dehia ge. E no ge we ehia o ya denze no fo age. E ba wa wo no ma. Amanyahun ma ununa aya we se. So not be your head. Na person go say, I want to do this one, And Monica, stop all this your lies. Stop her. Who don't like you, Stop all this your nonsense where you they do. Stop her. Before this lady come start to the talk, what do they call her Melissa, no? Before she come and come they talk. You never talk her for one day, say na bicycle, now you they drive. Now you dey ride. You never talk am one day. You never show anybody your parlor one day. It's very bad. Put yourself for wetin you be. Me I can't tell you say na so I be this is enemy. People not know you. People know you. Know say all these things one they do. Sometimes I don't dey look una because you they believe say you just think say person don't know you. Maybe ya when you work go scenario thing. I beg me, girl, you be via go na ge. All these things where you can't they do because if person like that your parlor where you show. If na another person show, what you go use the eye see for social media? Oh wait, my yahoo. Na so go do one. Have nonsense in no stop my yahoo. He parlor. Oh, ge abungbe ema. Because if no manye, u claim me wu wonye. Just do ya ha me social media where wonye. Okay, then na huana mi we wage. Oma wi ri hotel ni. Anu we wonye o. Something like that. Ga what I did on your ma hama we yeri hotel ni. Anu wa wo ho na. Nu we hama wu nu we no hama we hotel ni ya ti e shine your shine. Ana mi wa na do gwi de na hu. Why ya explain egbe we he? We omado tama we okay ge hotel we ni gima wa hian wa he ka me we hotel ni ma wa hian ne ge no pe o my ga function o my ga go on e di something my ga o my the this thing o ma go where so ma na we ni ma wa hian fo o ge me pa wa ni re ne o ma no to ge ma because why do na do tell matter o ge ni ado ya ge we o we tane o we sun atane Monica, stay where you belong to. I tell my time, mama, because many people not live. They believe in you. They just believe where Eminem Monica ta is the right thing. Because you believe you when you like you where anything where it ta where Monica where my way very na where. So stop all this your lies. Because we want ladian know where the who was say where because we believe you want to ladian because of here get what bungbe. When get quite bungbe I want to dey. Oh we were bon. Wa biology your just they talk and they put everything for your head. Me I still defend myself. You see now? You say if you cough, me pump ladian. Nah, you know say everything day hand. You can't say your husband say, may you close your mouth. Monica, you dey talk to people wey get wisdom, not be all just one where you just push like all those people where they praise you, where they clap for you, and not fit clap for you if you do something bad that go tell you because those ones they not like you, Monica. They not like you when they will call you say my lady, write down. No worry, we dey your back. Not be so. If you do something bad, Mona tell her. If you really say you like her, that's what I tell do over the house. They push on. They push on and now back baby can no matter can no back baby. When I drive it a rough can no matter can no drive here because of all those people where they call on where they clap for now. Nyawa atiti ado azesi rabo. Go Monica. Anywhere or heavy se wegbe. Try to no how eni na ni muhian na odigba se megbe ya do try ni control egbe me but on lowo won learn or lowo but won learn. So that is for that, my brothers and sisters. No one may I take on our time too much. So lolo for me, you know say ukpokpo na ya gbejawo abe ya gbejale. Monica na your friend. Monica emi ya fefe no wo where ya. So you know everything. So even though we call it tell you say you na the best friend. So take her. You understand? Who take care of your knee? I want feel where you are. Who will feel where you are because or one me we ma feel where you are. But you know what she they do. You understand? Because oma no swama oho no ya ge. Wo ho no swe ahia. We no more who no ya ge or we no swear here. You understand what I mean? But if you really believe for your mind, say, Umafio where you are, good for you. Good for you. Because all these things where una they do. Wale one more clear. Una still get. I have a war why because Bruce or my boy. Unless you were reject kabewu, another would dabi na so me I dey talk am. Wa una koka, we are expect oka. We no expect another thing. We have set koka no do I expect nya. For me, I respect Lolo a lot. You know why? Na Monica push her. Monica push her. O ma na gbon Lolo hin. E sa gyon we na me gbe. Sage wina megbe. Awe vage yeragbon. Oye hion. Wa balenia. O ma we na wa evagba we ma be no konde wa Monica. De tu we wala dian we eminika tana ma me lolo we. Severi na. Lolo me la dian we do me talo. O we me ajo bon. We na wa wi e, na wa moye, na wa mon lu ho e. O be na ha ma we. Ye ma pa eva. Wa we gbe gun agbe. Ye ni a push la dian. You see your life, Monica? O ma gu we gwendo we wa ri. So many ka yetasin. E ma nu gele yen we uri ni ya tene. Ya yin ya. E oge. Nu we u be deri oni. E gbo ni. E ma nu we wa yen we jess. U si yan eni yan we destroy. We nu we te wa si yan koto. Ya yin ya. Ni ya forgive you we. E ma na forgive you we. O tan hole. Mana forgive you well. Una get way you too big because when you ta where you know they eat your vomit. Uma me on that way you know they eat your vomit. When you don't see something, you go eat your vomit by force. You even they laugh lol or say you know see and they eat it vomit. You go they apologize. Managbono. Oma feel too big when you were Monica. I understand because you feel too big. Who be there? They no rich. They never bath. Monica, when you know, say you not be anything. See what you put yourself. Now your math na kill you so now bring everything come out. I will still talk, huh? Because I say you not go to say you want free too big. What you not belong to you want claim am by force. All this thing for not come out. Because now what Lolo say happen be that one. Eh? Whether they cost you for what you not get, what you not be your own. You want talk say na your own. Only now when me I come and me I can still defend my friend as when they do one before. More na leave her or not be her own. Who no go say you may you go talk her. I want you to take pose. Say na me get her. See where I carry you go now. To the ratio you go they raise your shoulder where you not supposed to, where you not belong to. You say you belong to. See where he carry you go now. Huh? See where he carry you go. We have a woman in I don't know whether you will get sense. I pray may you get. I pray because I pray because even normal go or ilogo. So if you really know, say you with your husband, when I don't divorce, tell people, shame not there. You know, see person where don't divorce, where a bear horse and no water. It there, oh. It there. Because the other lady talk and say, you with her Bruce, when I don't divorce, say, you be single mother for where you not there for there. Then I do claim me where you are a married woman. Eh? Some people there, they go marry, eh? The time when they will divorce, now they even now go sweet them past the time when they there for marriage home. They go see they see themselves. No, the children go. You know understand. They'll see they meet for maybe some. The children go see the father. They will just be like say husband and wife, but they don't divorce. So, it not be by force. Not be by force. Say you want to tell people where they for social media. Say, they husband house. Monica, you know they husband house. If you say you dey husband house, now be say was one or because woman where dey husband house. If all those people where they call you say, Mommy Monica, because any man now a mommy, they don't know where they pay them. They don't call social media, come they do as you say they do. Say they describe what woman get, what man get. They don't call they do now. Let make me talk and say, I respect Lolo pass you. I never see Lolo, they describe what woman gets. Where they talk and one kind, go they do, go consider they do it tongue journal. Monica go they do and go they do it tongue journal. Go just they laugh, say, oh, what done now we in Jena? It's not that from when you get away. People don't say you there abroad. People not, they watch you. I mean, if you they do it for social media, may not they the way they watch you. Then they watch you now. There's on a WhatsApp can or yeah, if I na him. So if you know say you really dey for husband house, maintain yourself, behave yourself. No be respect you when they man no call. If people they talk, to you, they will know the way they talk to you. Not because do your bug bear way nonsense you no stop it. Stop it. You're too small. Do your bug bear way? Don't know your bug bear way, man. Manya wo your hankere ogbe amondo. So all these things, just package jam. If you go listen, you listen. If you not listen, now you know, now you're thorough. Now you're thorough. Because here wo vie wari o vie wo da. Ideba we uja feel where you are. No, awawa. Oko no we da bi me. Hey, ekonona we ni. O salo boa o wa fie ron yo egbe gege emi o wari. It go go o wari emi gege. Emi no gbo ma se emi na ni ogbo ma se mi owe. Oyo ma ye uden. Oyo ma hi o ma no ma enegbe. Oyo ma hi wetin. Wa ro wodo ya re. Wetin? Onu are webo. O ma no re webo to me ya. Emi no gbo piya anything. They kill me anyhow. Awo ma wa gbe wa be ri oni. O ye uden hi o ma. Ekeni wa eje enye hi o ma na gbon. God forbid bad thing. If una dey do something, more na dey see the thing before na do o. Wa be bie. Wa ọmọ obi ọmọ egboja son. Wa wuri kun wo wodo. You better quick. Baba nire. Danuare banua renya piani. It's very bad. It's very bad. Uwa makanwe manwe. No. Aye. Awa. Una here. Awa. So my brothers and sisters, all these things, I pray may everything finish well because don't I not how we Monica le lolo yan agui. Yan doa, you dey normal say me here. Monica sit down, may you go think if really omo no you okay. And you normal say me here na guiji or push you where to say kenojena. Just go sit down, may you go think. As Lolo talk, say una not the quarrel before you go Nigeria. So una not quarrel, nothing dey because of that hotel where you want to pose, na cause quarrel. She even come out, can defend you. Whenever you la dialogue native doctor can defend you. Now come and say, more na leave her alone. Hey, nyonya. Wait, don't no gear. Monica, you see you? Or what ya kuwa eva wana. Ba me, wait till you not get. You want use that say pose, but repose. Now bring everything come out. Emi ya no wa ule, ya na vele la dia. Won see Monica. I blame me lolo. I still the talker. I blame me lolo. Blame yourself. Blame yourself. There even a lot of gunu kedo ade. Eri uwe gunu we. No wa eko we. Imagine ni you since we ma we me rock because when we je we wo me or ma we na so you dey talk and you will say I not do anything oh. I not do anything oh. I don't know what I do there oh. Na so you dey talk. Let's say you just keep quiet as you come from Nigeria. Say Lolo the verse for you, I been you the verse for Lolo. You calm. Uma feel gbogo no ga feel bad friend for their side. No best friend for the other side. Who you call the talk to? Now Lolo now not be she be your best friend. I been another person be your best friend. If you say no best friend, who you they talk to? Now Lolo. Of internet, going benamuye. Monica. So blame yourself for everything will happen. Not put anything for person head though. Now you, na kosa. Maybe when osalobo when ni ya sunu or ya sunu or we through your friends. Ahana eminule or do vele ya ladia. That is that. So my brothers and sisters, that's why I talk and reach. I greet everybody. If you dark a woman, where they mass, where they misbehave, I beg, respect yourself. Your children they grow, they'll come see you. They will come see you. All this about that video where they do. So you know, see, I'm there for social media. If you hear which is very bad. Behave yourself. Respect yourself. Eh? They know what you they talk come out for your mouth. Eh? Na me we no na so Monica they do what type piata. I'll say oh saloboa. Anyway, my brothers and sisters, I don't talk today I don't still talk this one today. From Untouchable Mama, remain blessed, my brothers and sisters. Una good night. Lolo. If you know say why woman we me do understand. Because the time when Monica come out we can't talk, I know say oh God do ta. I know. Because ema no to gerinya jinya ka sango down. Do atemi ya na me na we yes. The other person might be bad person. But when you can't say you get something and here, let me can say yes. Monica oh ta. When Monica can say I know they talk again. You see? So anyway, I pray more maybe una still use her and say rub because now the bad way too often now do together. Now so God say me stay everything take come out. I understand because now too often. I me say they talk now too often because you know say Monica they carry picture they go. You know. Even though say not be you they carry and but you know now your best friend. So okba waiva him understand. The okba waiva him we woge or something like that. Okba waiva him we waiting Monica know now you know. You understand? So me must talk her. Waiting you know now Monica still know. That is that. I greet everybody from Untouchable Mama. I beg, if you watch this audio, you not like what I talk, no problem. No insult me. If you insult me, Emi no waru one or what devil down because I no go see say my person they do something way bad. Why I go they tell and go call they tell and say no, you are doing the right thing. Meaning nama over wetin Monica do, wetin London do, it no good. Even with this is when we have a bright or go and man don't be another no. So on in here, nobody go even talk. If you not talk say what they do, say good. Or turn women, or turn doni, or who they reagile ya we me. So if you now want put any comments, wanna think back before now do something. It can market day. You go think whether na so they tell you bohie or near ya we me will be an or ya love your cohu or avere adogbegwene. No, you don't do that. Aim your waro. So if you they talk sometimes, sit down, wait, not they drink before you they do like a live video. They think before you they do one. Person go do to you. Person will come and wait talk say, may they go carry anything come and say, she go feel sweat, you have your boy have vein. O my ye woman nigga talk matter. You know, my nata matter where I want to do vembo. I've always veil. A church in your Joe. You don't know say that one. 419. Ohonwa ye church, no get bo. And I would do have vembo. Wa always just wa ven when we nani. Emma tagile no. I always so beg and I do ata wa vembo. O mana vembo vem Bible. So if take your time. Uni se. Uni nyama. Uje doni mwen, uma understand ya nema minuje dohi. Okay, see like yesterday, one another verse I want to see bring this one come on. Like yesterday now we call Ovi the house show. Oja tell me no if na know e if no do ata I just see happy say the Murphy still ona be settive tamai. I surprised say the Murphy here now the Murphy be men wa be na. One another verse one if na know we no do ata your love it your money name no we made your love it if you know where okay Monica una ya temi obi abia work ata we han free and Bruce wo go or work say we can tell me why agbe you gbere sometimes I just dey watch I know say wetin be all this thing na if you talk and say you want free and Bruce for inside bottle say Monica put am for inside bottle you don't forget okay you come here now say person talk come and say Monica do something like this when me ita we say man this thing where this person talk come out so I go put leg I go see whether na true whether na lie You can't say you want go make them bring the woman come and say you defend the woman, they go. What you want use the woman to do? You not go ask person where they call in, they say, oh bros, emena. Them atagele no, because the man not will tell you anything. Maybe give you 100,000 and you'll say, all these people wait there for social media, they no reach, I go cost all of them. I just baby on ya me. If you really know, say you be real man, you will find out. Because abru so managbon no. What? Why any would that way? O managbon abru so. So my brothers and sisters, not you wa we me why we don't begwen. Me begwen Monica. If you know say you do, I don't maybe for sake bonire. You don't begwen one. Me na be. How they do that kind of thing? Because you are begwen normal they working me. Just so na so me and the talker. You begwen one. Why we me down how can I gbejo? Dem you no how can ni awe. Ni a free man ni a free So, na bye bye from Untouchable Mama. Remain blessed. Bye bye.